Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the PYQs of RRB Group D, which was held on 24th August 2022 in Shift 2. Okay, right. See the question. Each of P, Q, R, S, T, U and V has an exam on different day of week starting from Monday and ending on Sunday of the same week. Okay, right, starting from Monday, ending on Sunday. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, right. Only 3 persons have exam between R and V. Only 3 persons have exam between R and V. So, we have two cases. Only 3 persons have exam between R and V. Okay, we have two cases. So, first case R and V, here V and R. Okay. Only 2 persons have exam between Q and P. Here also we will get two cases, P and Q. There are 2 persons between P and Q. V's exam is on Saturday. Information is given. V's exam is on Saturday. So, we can write V here. Okay. See here, by using first information, only 3 persons are there between R and V. So, we can take case 1. Okay. So, we can write here between R and V, we have 3 persons are there. So, 1, 2, 3, we can write R is here. Okay. Right. Next, Q's exam is immediately before R. So, Q's exam is immediately before R. Okay. So, Q's exam is on Monday. Next, only U's exam is between P and V. Okay. Only, see here, only U's exam is between P and V. So, there is no possibility of writing P in the after of V. So, we can write P is here and U between P and V. Okay, right. So, here see here Q's exam is immediately after before R, only U exam between P and V. T's exam is not held on Wednesday. Okay. So, there are two places are pending for T. So, and they given the information T exam is not held on Wednesday, means T exam held on Sunday. So, only one day is pending and we have only one alphabet is, that is S is there. So, we can fill S in the place of Wednesday. Okay. So, what is the question? On which day S exam is held? So, on Wednesday. Okay. So, option 4 is correct. Okay. Right. Next question. Right. See the question here. Select the option that is related to the 5th letter cluster in the same way as the 2nd letter cluster is related to the 1st letter cluster. Okay. And the 4th letter cluster is related to the 3rd letter cluster. See here, there is some logic is here. They given nectar N, E, C, T, A, R is written as T, C, V, E, G, P. If you see that here, N, E, C, T, A, R and they written as T, C, V, E, G, P. Okay. So, see here C, D, E. So, plus 2 is written. Okay. Here plus 2. And if you see here T, U, V, here also plus 2. And again here see here E, F, G plus 2. A, B, C, okay, plus 2. So, I plus 2 we get T, N plus 2 we get P. Okay. So, here in the place of N and they interchange the value plus 2. Okay. Similarly, pocket. Okay. So, P, O, C, K, E, T is written as V, G, M, E, Q, R. Okay. See here, C, D, E plus 2 and K plus 2 M, O plus 2 Q, E plus 2 G, P plus 2 R, T plus 2 we have V. Okay. So here also plus 2. So the logic is plus 2. Okay. So how monkey, M-O-N, K-E-Y, how monkey is written? Okay, right, simply plus 2 N-O-P-K-L-M. Okay, O plus 2 already we written. O is O-J, sorry, E-G-M-N-O Y, sorry, wait, monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. So M plus 2 O, okay, and O plus 2 O is written in the last. Okay, so Y plus 2, Y, Z, A. See which option are having A and O last. So here we have two options. Okay, next N, O, P. Okay, so L, M, N, O, P, Q, E, I, J. Okay, E, G. So A, G, N, P, Q, O. A, G, N, P, Q, O. Okay, sorry, here one mistake is there. K, L, M is there. Plus 2, M is there. So option 1 is correct. Next. Find the cost of fencing of a rectangular land if it has an area of 100 meters square and one of the side length is 20 meters at the rate of 30 per meter. Okay. So they given we need to find the cost of fencing of a rectangular land if it has an area 100 meters square and one side of the length is 20. So we know the area of a rectangle. Okay, so length into breadth. So they given length into breadth is equal to 100 meters square and one side is given, that is I am taking that is as length. So 20 is given and 20 into B is equal to 100. So B is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5. Okay. So what is the question? Find the cost of fencing of rectangular land. So no, just we need to find the perimeter. Okay. So perimeter of rectangular is equal to perimeter of rectangular is equal to 2 into L plus B, 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 20, breadth is 5. So 2 into 25 we get 50 is the perimeter. Okay, 50 meters is the perimeter. And see here, what is the question? Find the cost of fencing. Okay, and it is 30 per meter. 30 per meter. Total perimeter is 50. 50 into 30 we get 1500. Okay, so 1500 is the cost of fencing. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Next. Right, see the here, select the option that is related to the fifth number in the same way as second number is related to the first number and the fourth number is related to the third number. So see here, 8 is to 67 as 10 is to 103 as 17 is to question mark. If you see that here the first number square 8 into 8 we get a 64 plus 3 nothing but 67 is written as second number. Okay, next 10 into 10 10 square is 100 plus 3, so we get a 103 is written as fourth number. And fifth number 17 into 17 289 plus 3, so 289 plus 3 we get 292. So in the place of question mark we get 292. Okay, so option 2 is correct. Next question. See the question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, okay, such that they given 2AB is equal to DE, okay, 2AB is equal to DE, and they given BC is equal to 8 centimeter, then then EF is equal to, we need to find EF. Okay, so we know that AB by DE is equal to BEF, corresponding sides are equal. Okay, corresponding sides are equal. So AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. So, and we know DE is equal to, they given 2AB. So AB by 2AB is equal to, given BC is equal to 8 by EF. Okay, so see here AB cancel, EF is equal to 8 into 2, EF is equal to 16. Okay, EF is equal to 16. So option 2 is correct, 16 centimeter. Option 2 is correct. Next. So see here, Mr. Saxena bought some pens at 150 a dozen. Okay, so 150 a dozen. He sold them for 15 each. Okay, what is the profit? So he bought 12 pens, dozen means 12 pens. Okay, cost price of 12 pens is equal to 150 and selling price of each pen is 15. So 15 into 12. Okay, selling price of each pen is 15. Then a dozen pens selling price is 15 into 12. So 15 tens are 150, 15 twos are 30, 150 plus 30 we get 180. So selling price of dozen pen is 180, cost price of dozen pen is 150. So here we are getting profit. So profit percentage is equal to, profit is 30. 180 minus 150, 30. So 30 by 150 into 100. Okay, so 0 cancel, 15 ones are 15 twos are. So 20% is the profit. Okay, 20% is the profit. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Next. Right, see the question here. 3 is to 25 as 7 is to 81 as 11 is to question mark. So what will come in place of question mark? If you see that this is a perfect square of a number, this is the perfect square of a number. So see that here 3 plus 2, first number plus 2 square. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 square 25. So here third number plus 2. So 7 plus 2, 9, 9 square is equal to 81. Here also 11 plus 2 square. So 11 plus 2, 13, 13 square is equal to 169. So first number plus 2 square. So 5 square 25, 7 plus 2 9, 9 square 81, 11 plus 2 13, 13 square 169. Option 3 is correct. Okay, next question. Right, see the question. Two express trains of length 320 meters and 380 meters started moving from Ahmedabad to Delhi at same time. Their speeds are given 84 kilometers per hour and 42 kilometers per hour. Okay, so in how many seconds will the faster train cross the slower train? Okay, so see the question once again. Two express trains of length 320 meters and 380 meters started moving from certain place to certain place at same time. Their speeds are 84 kilometers per hour and 42 kilometers per hour. So what is the question? In how many seconds? In how many seconds will the faster train crosses the slower train? So first of all, find the relative speed. Here the trains are moving with same direction. So relative speed is equal to first speed minus second speed. So one train is 84, another train is 42. Here relative speed is meters per hour. Okay, so they are asking in terms of seconds. So convert these 42 kilometers per hour into seconds. Okay, so 5 by 18 into 42. Okay, right. So we know that relative speed is equal to length of both trains by time. So we need to find the time. So relative speed is 5 by 18 into 42. Length of both trains. So one train is 320 meters, another is 380 meters. 700 meters. So 700 by time. So time is equal to 700 into 18 by 5 into 42. Okay. 6 3s are 6 7s are 7 1s are 7 10s are. Okay. Right. So 5 1s are 5 20s are. So 20 into 3 60 seconds. Okay. So what is the question? How many seconds will the faster train cross the slower train? Means 60 seconds. So here first of all need to find the relative speed, and we know the formula. Relative speed is equal to length of both trains by time. So relative speed they are asking in terms of seconds, means we convert the relative speed in terms of second. So 5 by 18 into relative speed is equal to length of both trains by time. We need to find the time. So 700 by time is equal to 5 by 18 into 42. By simplification we get that 60 seconds. Okay, right. Next question. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Next, see the question. Select the option that represent the letters that when placed from left to right in the same sequence in the blanks below will complete the letter series. So first of all, count how many letters are there. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So total 20 letters are there. So 20 can divide by 2. So the set is maybe 2 sets. 20 divided by 4, the set is maybe 5 sets. 20 divided by 5, the sets may be 4 sets. So first of all, see, is there any repetition of letters is there? If you see that here we have G, here we have G, here we have G. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so means approximately the set is divided into 5 parts or 4 parts. See here, I am cutting from here G, and here G, If you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right. So here, see that here first letter is G. Okay, we can fill here G. Okay, next see the second letter, here we have T, here we have T, automatically here we have T, here also we have T. So here we have already G is there. Okay, right. So see here G T Q, G T Q, G T Q, G T Q, and see the fourth letter N, 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 we can fill here N. Okay, see here, here A is there, last letter, here last letter D is there, we can write A, B, C, D. Okay, so what are the letters are given? T, N, G, sorry, T, N, G, Q, B, C, T. So T and G, Q, B, C, T. T and G, Q, B, C, T. This is correct. Option 3 is correct. T N G, Q, B, C, T. Okay, right. Next question. So find the fourth proportional of x plus comma x plus 5 comma and x plus 6 if x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 means 3 plus 7 3 is 21, means here we are getting 24. So 21 plus 3 we get 24. So 3 plus 5 we get 8. Okay, right. Here 3 plus 6 we get 9. So 24 by 8 is equal to 9 by we need to find what is the fourth proportional. So I am taking this is as some k. Okay, right. See that I am converting least 8 ones, 8 threes. Okay, so here we see that 3 by 1 is equal to 9 by k. In the place of 3, we are writing 9 3 threes. In the place of k, we can write 1 into 3, k is equal to 3. So what is the fourth proportional means? 3. Option 4 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, the traffic lights at 3 different crossing turns red after every 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 60 seconds respectively. If they all turn red simultaneously at 8:30 a.m., then at what time will they again turn red simultaneously? Okay, so in the LCM topic we already discussed the same type of questions. Okay, right. So just calculate the LCM for these 3 values. Okay, so see that here what is the LCM? By seeing itself we can say that 30 into 2 is 60 but not divisible by 45, 30 into 3 90 but not divisible by 60, 30 into 4 120 is also not divisible by 45, 30 into 5 150 is not divisible by 60 and 45, 30 into 6 180. So 180 is the LCM. 180 is the LCM. Okay, right. So after 180 seconds, they all 3 get simultaneously equal. Okay, so after 180 seconds means each minute has 60 seconds. Just divide 6 ones, 6 ones, 0, 3. Okay, so 60 3 is 180. So after 3 minutes, okay, 8:30 plus 3 minutes we get 8:33. After at 8:33 they are get simultaneously red. Okay, 8:33. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Next question. Right, see the question here. In a certain code language, DOVE is written as PEFW. Okay, and CROW CROW is written as SDXP. Okay, So what is the logic? If you see that here, A, B, C, D, E, O, P, V, W, E, F, okay, C, D, R, X, O, P, W, X. Okay, so use the logic and correct answer the correct option in comment section. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question here. Two trains start at the same time from station A and station B respectively and travel towards each other, okay, towards each other at speed of 60 kilometers per hour and 40 kilometers per hour respectively. At the time they meet, the faster train has 60 meters more than the slower train. So what is the distance between the two stations? Okay, so once again see the question carefully. Two trains start at same time from station A and station B, okay, travels towards each other at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour and 40 kilometers per hour respectively. At the time they meet, the fastest train has travelled 60 kilometers more than the slower train. Okay, without using any formula, we can give the correct answer. Okay, see here, if you see the options are less than or equal to 600. Okay, so right, see here, if the faster train travels, okay, so 1 hour means 60 kilometers will travel. If the slower train travels, 1 hour means 40 kilometers. So a faster train travels 20 kilometers more than the slower train here. So if they travel 2 hours, okay, if they travel 2 hours, the faster train travels 120 kilometers, the slower train travels 80 kilometers. Here the distance travelled by faster train is 40 kilometers more than the slower train. If you see that 60 into 3 means 180 kilometers, here we are getting 120 kilometers slower train. Okay, so here faster train covers 60 kilometers more than the slower train. Okay, so see that here they covered 180 kilometers and here they cover 120 kilometers. They are meet each other. Okay, so just add this value, we get the distance between two stations. Okay, so 300 kilometers. No need to apply the relative speeds and other formulas. Just think generally, if they cover 1 hour, the distance covered by the faster train is 20 kilometers more than the slower train. If they cover 3 hours, the distance covered by the faster train is 60 kilometers more than the slower train. So here they meet. Okay, here they meet means 180 plus 120, we get 300. Okay, the distance between two stations is 300. Okay, these are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D, which was held on August 22nd in 2020, sorry, August 24th in 2022 in shift 2. Okay, right. Thank you for watching. కొద్దిగా